Bill Goudy checking in. It's a beautiful day. I think it got up in the 40s. Got some work done. Bad tree. I was afraid it was going to fall over on the camper. Hollow in the middle is an old locust tree. You know, I'm running out of sunlight. Sun's setting, days are short. I'm worked up a thirst. So that old tree, I thought I'd better cut it down before it fell down. I sure didn't want to have it falling on the camper, that's for sure. I hate to lose the shade, but I don't want to lose the camper. No. Oh, look here. Will you look at the goodness? Let's see here. I got my old friend E.V. Crawfish at Crawdaddy Forge. He made this knife for me. Neck knife, bottle opener, striker. It's awesome. His link will be down below. Tell me. Oh. Tell me I didn't deserve that. I worked up sweat. I really did. Even in these cold temperatures. So, yeah, it's good. It's really good. We've had a roller coaster ride on the weather. Up and down. It was sub-zero cold. I got catfish out. I was going to use some special blackened seasoning that the TSP Triumph screen printing sent me. Yeah, well, so much for those plans. Yeah, it didn't work out. I couldn't cook outside because when I blackened that fish, it smoked so bad. But that's coming up. I'm going to do that again because I got to try that seasoning. So I went ahead and fried the catfish fillets, and they were Florida catfish. Yeah, Bill Goudy Jr. is doing good. I've been catching some nice bass down there. I'll attach a few pictures here. You can check this out. You guys want to do some fishing? Yeah. Bass Online. Ask for Bill Goudy. I'll put a telephone number down, and I'll put an email down there. Follow that link. Look for Bill Goudy Jr. So tonight I'm going to have fish tacos. I just fried that fish up in it's leftover is what it is, and I got to eat it. I don't want it to go to waste. So I got the low carb soft tortillas. I got some cheese. I got some leftover jalapeno poppers. Yeah, I don't know what the coating was on those. I do know what the coating was on the fish, so there might be a little bit of carb in that, but not much. But anyway, that's for supper. Come along with me. Check it out.
Temperatures then begin to tumble as we go throughout the evening hours on Wednesday. Temperatures drop. Watch where this freezing line goes all the way down into southern Missouri. So here we are sitting in some cold air, high pressure, cold Canadian high pressure right over top of us. Then we start to watch our next weather maker. It's off to the west of us, and it starts to pull into the tri-state area. By the time we get into the overnight hours on Thursday night, Friday morning, Friday at noontime, we're going to see some snow across the tri-state area as the temperatures, again, freezing line all the way down here. Then
of your mortgage, helping you take control and achieve your financial goals. But despite what you may have heard, mortgage rates are historically low. This means that today may be your best opportunity to refinance to a lower rate and save serious money every month on your mortgage. And right now could be a great time to take some positive financial steps with a cash-out refinance from Quicken Loans. A great way to take cash out is